Hello, this is Fractional Distances, problem 1. So here are the points that I'm going to be using that's given. And it says, find a point E that is 1/4 of the way from A to B. Okay, and what first comes to mind to me right now is what I would do if this was like midpoint, if it says there's 1/2. And what I would do for that is I just use the midpoint, the formula I use for midpoint. So that would be 9 plus -3 because the x's and then the y's, I like to label those so I remember, over 4 because it's 1/4, and then another little equation or problem of 6 plus 0 over 4. And then you just solve them. So this would be 1.5 and this would be 1.5 because 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 by 4 is 1.5. It's an easy problem. And so your new coordinates are 1.5, comma 1.5. And just to be sure, you can check it in Desmos. And I did it right before I did this, and it makes sense. If you can see here, I'll make it so each one is like this. It is accurate. So that's how I check if I'm right. Thank you.